Congratulations, you've already booked your Disney cruise and you're waiting for your 30-day online check-in. You don't have to wait. What you have to do is get your documents together. What documents? I will show you what documents. I will step you through the online check-in process. Why do you ask? You need to do this on time as soon as it opens, because it'll guarantee you access to wonderful free included extras, like the best way to guarantee the royal gathering, early check-in into the Disney cruise, so you have more time to explore, experience, and also get your navigation of this massive cruise liner, so you know where to go and when to go to certain locations and certain destinations. In this video, I'm sharing 10 essential online check-in tips that can save you time, stress, and help you snag early port arrival times, which is a must-have. So if you're wondering what is this royal gathering I just mentioned, it is an opportunity to book time to meet 3 or 4 princesses. Why is this better? Otherwise, you will need to look at times when each princess is hosting a meet and greet, line up, and sometimes they might have overlapping time slots, which will be difficult to navigate. The royal gathering gives you a seamless opportunity to meet 3 or 4 of your favorite princesses in a very organized, calm, and relaxed
Thank you. You're so sweet. It's good to see you again, honey bunches. Y'all look absolutely gorgeous this morning. Thank you so much for dressing up.
We had beignets yesterday.
Did you like them?
Yeah.
Oh, they're my favorite sweet treat to have. Would you like to take a princess picture with me since you're in gorgeous gowns?
Yes.
Yes, okay,
This is one Disney detail you don't want to miss. So let's get started. Tip 1. Save the date. Online check-in opens 30 days before your cruise at midnight Eastern Time in America. For you, make sure you know exactly what that time is. In our house, we set alarms, reminders, the whole thing. Be ready early. This matters and you'll see why. Tip 2. Use a computer, not just the app. The Disney Cruise app is convenient, but for online check-in, the computer usually wins. We've tried both the phone and the laptop and taken turns refreshing each to try to get in as soon as online check-in opens. The computer, with its bigger screen, gives us the flexibility to upload documents conveniently, and we've noticed has lesser glitches. Tip 3. Have your passport-style photos ready. You'll need a photo of everyone in your group. Keep it simple. Neutral background, no hats, head and shoulders in the photo. And yes, this photo will pop up later, so make sure it's a nice one and not just you in your pajamas. You can shoot this photo on an iPhone, but make sure it's in JPEG format on your computer ready to upload. iPhone natively may not provide you the image in JPEG, so you might need to convert it. If you are traveling with children, make sure you have this done a day or 2 before, or else you'll have the wonderful task of having to wake your children in the middle of the night to take this photo, and no one wants that pain. Tip 4. Organize your documents in advance. This is where check-in either feels magical or chaotic. Have your documents ready in a folder on your desktop for easy access. Have photos ready for passports, birth certificates, and travel documents. We create a folder on our computer that is clearly labeled for each person traveling. Tip 5. Have your travel details open and ready at hand. Disney will ask for things like flight information, hotel stays, and transportation plans. We keep our airline app open and ready. No digging through emails at midnight. The future you will thank you. If there is an option to get on a Disney transport bus based on where you are staying, it would be a good idea, as Disney can pick up your baggage directly from your hotel without you having to drop it off at the cruise terminal. Tip 6. Payment methods matter. You can select cash to move faster, but I don't recommend that. Take a couple of minutes to put in your card details. It will guarantee you a faster checkout and no restricted services. If for some reason you want to change the card you have on file, you can do so on the app very conveniently, or as soon as you walk into the cruise, head to guest services and get this done. Tip 7. Kids information and prep ahead. If you are sailing with children, you'll need information on their allergies, medical needs, authorized pickup people from the amazing kids club. In case you are traveling with, for example, grandparents, we normally keep it simple and keep the authorized pickup to only the parents. Tip 8 and the all-important early port arrival time. This is where everyone rushes. Early port arrival means fewer crowds, empty ship vibes. Have a relaxing lunch on board at either the buffet restaurant, which might be Cabanas, or Triton's for a sit-down meal if that's your preference. Have a dip in the pools. Get into the hot tub before the crowds rush in. It feels like a bonus vacation day if you get an early port arrival time, and this is the core need. You need to do your online check-in right on time. Tip 9. Put any special request in. If you are celebrating a birthday or an anniversary, let the team know so they can make it extra special for you. If you would prefer to have a stroller on board, this is also a good time to put that in and follow up with guest services as to when you can pick up your stroller. Tip number 10. This is an important one too. This is the best time to pre-order things like the amazing photo packages, bottled water with special Disney characters, and even the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique experience if you are traveling with a child that will value the experience.
I'm Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, the newest captain of the Disney Wonder, Captain Amelia. I present to you. Woohoo! So we are the only cruise line that is authorized to do fireworks on the 7 seas, and also every time that our fireworks goes into the sea, they turn into fish food.
That's it, friends. 10 online check-in tips to make your Disney cruise start stress-free and full of magic. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will get back to each and every one of you. If there have been any other tips that have helped you that I have missed, please let me know in the comments so all of us can learn from it and have a better onboard experience. To watch a detailed review of the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique experience and join in on the conversation about your preferred styling of Captain Minnie or the Princess theme, check out this video.